You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with long addition. The final result is 147.89. Let's solve it step by step. Rewrite the numbers from top to bottom, aligned by their place values. Add up the digits in each column, from right to left. 7 plus 8 plus 4 equals 19. Carry 1 to the tenths place. 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1 equals 18. Carry 1 to the ones place. 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5 equals 17. Carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 1 equals 14. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. Write 1 in the hundreds place, and so the final result is 147.89.